Okay, let's take a look at Leach, chapter 35, number 6. Okay, we're supposed to draw this shape right here, the polyline, and you notice the local coordinates. It's right in the center of that. So I'm going to probably start with this point and go around. First of all, let me switch it back to drafting. And P line, starting point will be 2.5, comma, -1. Okay, ortho turned on. We come over 1, we go up 2, we come back 1, and come down 0.75. Then we go in 0.25, come down 0.5, back 0.25, and back to origin. Okay, first part done. Now we're going to change this view. There we go. And I'm actually going to change my workspace back to 3D modeling. And we're going to revolve. Down here we have revolve. Don't want to type it. Click on it. Enter. And the axis is going to be along this Y axis. We're revolving it. Y, enter. And then we can go around here. It's hard to get it right on that 360. So I'm going to type in 360. There we go. Now let's see what this really looks like. Go from wireframe, conceptual. Excellent. Okay, so the next part says we are going to create a torus. Excellent. Go over to our shapes, bottom one, and the center is at 0, 0, radius of 3, and the tube radius is 0.5. So torus selected. Zero, comma, 0, comma, 0. Excellent. Then we have radius of 3, enter, and the tube radius of 0.5, enter. Okay, looks very similar to that object that we're supposed to be making. Excellent. And now the next part. We are going to make a cylinder. So, second object is a cylinder, and center is 0, 0, radius of 3, and the height of 8, 8. Keep trying to click in the center, I'm not getting it. We're going to go 0, 0, 0, enter. And we're going to hit 3 for the radius, 8 for the height. Okay, it looks nothing like this. Maybe we need to finish the rest of the instructions. Okay, now that we have that cylinder, we are going to rotate a ring that we created. So it looks something like that. We're going to use 3D rotate. Rotate. Enter, select the object, enter. Base point, we're going to go from the center, so that's 0, 0, 0. Enter. Now the axis. Oh, who's that red one right there? That's what we want. Now specify the angle. We're doing this at 90 degrees. Boom, beautiful. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to move that shape, this ring we made, up 6. Okay, selecting it, move enter, specify a point. Okay, doesn't really matter. And we're going to go up 6, enter. Left our little torus down there. Okay, now we're going to move our torus. So we select our torus, move, specify this point, enter, and we're going to go up 6. Nope. Up 4. Again, move, enter, select this point, and 4, enter. Okay, that's better. Gotta read the instructions sometimes. Okay, it looks similar to this. Pretty close, I believe. Now, we need to subtract. Oh, so it's going to look like this when we're done. Ring, ring, ring. 3 rings. One of them curved edges. So, subtract. Subtract this object, enter, from this one and this one. Enter. Boom. There she is. Beautiful.